What's up, guys? It's April 23rd, 2024. Bulls got a fall through day. Pretty nice from yesterday's trend higher. We had a breakout of the higher time frame AMA. And then today we had fall through above the yesterday's high. So bar one, we have a gap up. Bar one is a bear bar. Not good for the Bulls, but this could start the channel phase. So breakout above, we have a pullback and a breakout above all these bars. But this being a bull bar, remember? Man, why do I always get the hiccups when I start this thing? That is crazy. Okay, so gap up. Let me make that green. I'm gonna go through each bar by bar and talk about the market cycle and like what we choose within that. Had a bullish day with a range, so bullish range. EMA was support, trend, and then we ranged, but bullish, more bullish pressure. I'm gonna pull this down a little bit. Okay, looks clear. Do we have a gap up? Bar one is no continuation. Could be a pullback starting the channel phase for the Bulls. Bar two looks like a 2-bar reversal. Bulls want to see higher prices, and bar three is follow through. Big tail on bar three, not the best follow through, but it is follow through, closing above bar two. We're closing right at the high of bar two's high. Bar four, 3, 4. Bar four is a strong breakout, breaking above yesterday's high, and bar five is follow through. Bar five is not good follow through. It has a deep pullback. It tested the 50% level. It tested bar three's high, which was the breakout point for bar four, and then it reversed higher. So that's good for the Bulls, but not good, not the best follow through above bar four. Bar six, bad follow through, not a new high. Bears got a reversal. However, bar seven is also bad follow through for the reversal, and that's the first leg lower for the Bears. Bar seven went below bar five's body, but no bars have gone below actual prior lows, so this is a pretty strong channel right now. Bar seven is a new high after this low is made. We get a new high, but there's a lot of selling pressure, which is not very good. Not something you want to see in a strong trend. Bar nine looks like Bears get another reversal. That's 3 times Bulls have tried to push up and reverse, push up and reverse, push up and reverse. Bar 10 is a good trend bar for the Bulls. Starting to close these wicks here. Bar 11, bad follow through for the Bulls, but prices are still trending higher and they're getting lower lows. There's actually not a new low being made. Bar 7 was the first time it ticked out. Bar 6 is low and then it went higher, so it could be like this, leg 1, 2, or like that, or leg 1 channel. It starts breakout is leg 1, pull back leg 2, breakout leg 3. But there's no new lows being made. This is the new low from here, but that's not very significant. Bar 12 is a breakout above this wedge top. Lots of pushes and get a breakout. They go. Bar 13 is really good follow through. Price is starting to get climactic. These are really nice bars after leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3, and a bullish breakout. Bar 14, bad for the Bulls. Creates a double top, sell off. Pretty good close. It's a bear trend bar, and we want to see higher prices. So Bulls that bought here are going to buy more lower and get out at break even. I think that's what happened here. They actually made a point. All these Bulls that bought here would make 1 point. If they buy lower, they get out their original entry. Excuse me, I said that wrong. If they buy here and buy more, their average price will be here. And they make 1 point from this area, not necessarily this area. That'd be an extra point. Let me just draw it out. So they buy that high, they buy the low, and that's their average price. So they make a couple points here, 4, 6, pretty good scalp. Bar 19 is a strong reversal by the Bears. I think the market's going more sideways now because big up, big down. Bears are shorting strong bullish bars. Bulls are buying bear bars. Bar 22 is follow through for the Bears, but they're keeping the gap above the EMA open. Bar 21 looks like Bulls want to go try and get the reversal and go for a new high. Bar 22, good for the Bulls. Not the best, but it's better than having a bare body. Bar 23 looks like it's going for a breakout. This creates 1, 2, 3. To be a wedge top with a lower low here. Then Bears get a few legs, 3 legs into the EMA. 24 is a reversal. 25 is a good follow through. 26 looks like it could be a pullback for a 2-legged move for the Bears. 27 shows a reversal for the Bears. So this was leg 1, pullback leg 2 into the EMA. 27, Bears are trying to close the EMA. Bounces off with 29. And bar 30 pushes into the EMA. So this looks like a wedge bottom onto support. Leg 1, pullback leg 2, pullback leg 3. 31 is a strong bar. First bar that touches the EMA after over 20 bars trending to the left. 24 is good follow through. 25, another good, it sells off and closes up higher, sells off, close higher. That's good bullish pressure because bulls are buying lows. They're buying pullbacks. These are pullbacks now. They're implied pullbacks. Ooh, bar 34 rallies higher and it closes right at bar 33's high. So good. It's not the best follow through, but still follow through. No, these are all trending lows until bar 36 makes it low. It's a micro channel line break, spike in channel, reversal higher. The bulls get that reversal right here. They close higher, so trending highs and trending lows. That's really good for the bulls. 37, bulls go make a new high, and the market starts to sell off. Bears get a leg 1 pullback, leg 2 move. 1 second, guys. So the market goes sideways at new highs. 39 indecision. 30, 40, the market stalling at highs. 41, the bears sell. Get a good bar that breaks out below this range here. 42, sells off into the EMA. 43 looks like a pullback, a deep pullback, testing the highs, and then 45 sells off into the EMA. This is the first gap bar below the EMA. It's a good buy for the bulls, and they see that as a discount. They buy that with 46, giving them double bottom, higher low. So it's a range, but with a little bit more bullish pressure. 47, market tries to rally, sells off. It closes above the EMA, so that's good. 48, strong bar for the bulls. Could be a good buy for a scalp higher. 49 is a pause, so we have a leg 1 pullback. Still not making new lows, so the lows are all trending higher, but the highs are starting to go sideways. So this is a compression breakout bull flag right here. 52 breaks out of this bull flag. 51 is a good follow through. Market's starting to get climactic. It gets a wedge top here. 52, 53, and 54 are all dojis, but they all have lower lows and higher highs. That's good for the bulls. And again, we get to a new high. Bar 55, 56, 57. Create a leg lower here. So that's leg 1, pull back leg 2, pull back leg 3. Market is starting to go sideways in a tight trading range. It's best to avoid this and wait for a 2-bar follow through. Here is with 64 is a leg 1. Oh, excuse me, leg 1, pull back leg 2. The market goes into another TTR tight trading range, which should be avoided. So pretty hard day to trade. If you didn't catch this was the easy day. I think this was a good bar. This was a good bar. Where are we in the market cycle? Well, yesterday we had a breakout. We have a pullback. We have a gap up. That showed. So for today, breakout, opposite bar, channel phase, leg 1. So breakout, leg 1, leg 2, leg 3. This could not be one leg. You start to fade later legs. Excuse me. So it's buy low, sell high within this range. Then the market goes range bound like this for this many bars. It's slowly starting to reset. The market cycle is breakout, channel, leg 2, leg 3, leg 4, range. And when it starts to range, the market cycle is resetting, and then we wait for a breakout higher or lower. And both these breakouts could fail in reverse, so a reversal is another form of a breakout. Hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys are enjoying these bar by bar analysis. It's a little bit dry. I get it. I'm still learning how to do this bar by bar. It'll be more fluid as I force myself to do this. And it is a little bit hard. You guys should try it. Just try and talk about it. It'll help you guys out in the long run. So that's the point of doing these. Hope you guys are doing good and using your stop loss. Thank you for all the support. It's getting late here. I got work tomorrow, and then next week my schedule changes finally. Super stoked to be trading again in a good fluid motion. We're hitting the 10-minute mark, so I appreciate you guys. Thank you for the support. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Have a good night. Bye.